Anand Rathi started back in 1994, right when India's economy was opening up and people were looking for trusted guidance to grow their wealth. Our founders, Shri Anand Rathi and Shri Pradeep Gupta, started with a simple belief that every investor deserves deep research-backed advice. Hi, I'm Devang Mehta and I serve as the Chief Marketing Officer for the Anand Rathi Group. Today we've grown to over 350 locations with 2 stock market listed entities, but that core philosophy has not changed. Our mission and vision are completely centered around the clients.
Earlier challenge that we had is we were getting a lot of leads from many sources. It's from website, Meta, Google campaign, from referral and other places. We were managing all these leads via Google Sheet. The first level of challenge is these leads have to be called by my team. Then I have to pass on this lead to offline sales team, right? Sharing access of these leads becomes challenge. That's when we thought of having a tool which can, single-handedly manage all these things. That's when we found out telecrm.
Post telecrm, that has been completely seamless. So what happens right now is that leads entered in telecrm already captures the source of the lead. If it is Meta, if it is organic, and basis that assignment is also automated. So each campaign is given a particular SPOC. Directly that SPOC is notified that so-and-so lead is in your bucket, and that has reduced my TAT from 2 to 3 hours to 15 minutes now. So that is a great help. It is SIM-based call, right? So it is auto-recorded. I have the recording in place. Any details that I want to capture as a headline, if this is the requirement of the client, and so-and-so is the time that you are supposed to call it, I can just note it down on the telecrm app or the website.
Another important aspect from a advanced marketing or from a performance marketing per se, we have enabled CAPI. Now CAPI is something which is really useful for me to gather the outcome of actual leads which are converting, leads which are getting qualified, leads wherein meeting have been happening, right? So basically a raw lead to qualified leads or high quality leads, I'm able to sync that via telecrm to Facebook dashboard to, Google dashboard. So taking example, I had a CPL of 100 rupees a year back and the qualified lead ratio was 10%. Right now I can say the lead costs have remained same because of CAPI and all the process improvement and the telecrm being in picture, and my qualified rate ratio has increased from 10% to 25%.
When it comes to HNIs and retails, HNI clients are the main chunk of 9 to 5 people who do not receive my calls because they are in and out of some meetings, right? So they cannot commit to a 2 to 5 minutes call with a client, with a particular prospect. WhatsApp helped me in that case. I can just shoot a text to these clients that, these were your requirements. This is why you were inquiring with Anand Rathi. So I just wanted to have a discussion with you for let's say maybe 15-20 minutes so that I can bridge the gap between you and the concerned person so that your requirement is met. So that has been a huge help for at least the HNI segment of clients.
At my level, it becomes very critical, very important for me to see the data, right? Or data not in terms of what is happening, but let's say which source has been performing, which source have been giving me quality leads, right? How much time a user is spending on calling this lead, what has been a timestamp between lead creation date to first call attempt, how many attempts have been done. So earlier, all these insights were difficult to gather. Now with this telecrm, in just 2 clicks, I can see the lead creation to first call attempt. I can see how many attempts have been done, which source have been performing well, what has been a funnel from raw lead to qualified lead and all these things. That has been really helpful for me.
I absolutely recommend telecrm and I look at it from a high-level strategic and efficiency perspective. In financial services, a lead isn't just a number. It represents a relationship based on trust. telecrm has given us and our distribution and our calling teams a highly structured data-driven workflow. It takes the guesswork out of the lead management by ensuring zero lead leakage, providing instant visibility into calling matrices, and automating our follow-ups. For any marketing and sales setups looking to scale up their operations while maintaining absolute process discipline and maximizing the ROI on their leads, telecrm is a highly effective and a robust solution.